So what we're doing today is a manual reset test. And the way I'm going to do that, and this is on the XEL, and the way I'm going to do that is we've pulled out the TK2 chip and also the pokey chip that would normally sit above it. And I put a 3.3K resistor between pin 13 of the TK2 chip socket, which is tied into the reset line of the entire system, and the other side goes to pin 14, which is the plus 5 volt DC connection. And then you also see this green wire here. I've got that hooked up to pin 5 of that same socket, and that basically gives us a ground, and we're going to use that to ground out pin 13 in just a minute here to actually do a manual reset. So let me zoom this thing out so we can see the screen up here too as well. Okay, so let's turn it on, and at first you're going to get some sort of screen. It might be green, it might be red, it might be changing in color like what this one's doing right now, and basically it'll just kind of stay like this or keep color changing forever. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a manual reset right now, and there we go. Okay, and that's as far as it'll get without a pokey chip in place. And just to show you what it should look like without the reset wire shorted out there, we're going to go ahead and just put the voltmeter on here, and we'll see that we got, oops, pretty close to 5 volts there. And that's what you would expect to see. So if for some reason this test did not work, I would go ahead and I'd check that voltage and see if it's truly up to around 5 volts. If it's down around 0, then we're locked in the reset for some reason, and something is shorted obviously someplace else on the reset line, and that would need to be investigated and fixed.